What's going on, guys? Tony here, back again with another quick video for you guys. And what we're looking at here is the LK screen protector and case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So I got this a few days ago. I've been rocking with it. I already got the tempered glass screen protector already installed. It comes with two tempered glass screen protectors, a lens protector, which I also have already installed on the back. It comes with two of those also. So it comes with two tempered glass screen protectors, two lens protectors, and it comes with a clear case. So we're gonna check all this out. I've been rocking with it for a little bit. I already have the tempered glass camera protectors or lens protector on installed. Definitely, I recommend you get that. And I also have the tempered glass screen protector. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like on the phone. You can see it's a flat display, so that I like that about the S22 Plus. I like that it has a flat display because it's pretty easier to find screen protectors, unlike the Note 22 Ultra that has a curved display. You got to go with White Stone Dome with that one. But yeah, so this is what the screen protector looks like on here. It goes almost all the way up to the edges. The camera lens is a little cutoff for the front-facing camera lens. That's so you can get real good cameras, focus and stuff like that. So it's not going to interfere with any of that. And you can see it goes all the way down to the bottom, all around the edges. So the screen protector, definitely a thumbs up. It comes with a kit where it helps you install it. So I'll go ahead and show you that real quick. So here is the LK package. So it's a pretty nice presentation, a slide out sleeve. And on the back, you get a little information on here and the website. And you can see here for the Galaxy S Plus 2022. And it also gives you their website and whatnot, contact information if you want to contact them. But that's about all that comes in the sleeve. And then you get this folder-like box. So there's a box with the LK branding on it. And you go up and boom. Here you're presented with the clear case, which I've been using. You can see I got a little scuff marks on it, but I've been using it. It's frosted back, and then it has clear all the way around. It looks really good on the phone. The buttons are covered up. You got drop protection on the corners, and you also got the cutouts for the microphone, the charge port, the speaker, and like I said, nice reinforced corners all the way around. And the cameras, you got a little raised lip all around the back, which help out for keeping the camera lenses from touching the surface. But you also have that camera lens protector tempered glass on the back, so it's going to help you out even more. So yeah, on the top you also have a little cutout for the microphone, noise canceling. And yeah, typical nice easy TPU case. And then we have the this is for the tempered glass. This is the tray aligner, so you can put this on the phone like so. I'll show you, just like that. And then you drop the screen protector on there, and it just lines up perfectly, evenly all around all four corners. And you use a squeegee to push out the air bubbles. It came out real good. So this is my first attempt with it. I can tell you that you'll get it right on your first try. We got the typical dust absorbers, and then we have the wet wipes, and here is the little squeegee, push out the air bubbles. So once you get the screen protector on, you just push the bubbles out. They come out real good. And it was an excellent install on my first attempt, so I really like that. So shout out to LK. And then we have the tempered lens protector, which just came out. I just saw it come out. Here it is right here. So this is the lens protector. So goes on. And also same thing, you can squeeze it out with the squeegee there. Put this in there. And then you have another tempered glass screen protectors. So you get 2 and 2. You get 2 tempered glass screen protectors for the lenses and 2 for the screen. So that is it right there. So that's pretty neat, man. I'll show you the price here in a minute. They're not really expensive. Let me see. And you get that, and not only that, but they include an installation guide. Shows you how to install it. You know, it gives you a little QR code. You can go there and check out the video. I mean, it's pretty simple, and yeah, it shows you there how to install it. You just lay the glass on, push down, and then you work the bubbles out with the squeegee. Real nice, easy, simple installation. Anyone can do it. They also included some stickers. So you got some little cute stickers for the phone if you want to stick it on the back of the case. You like these stickers? Pretty neat that they included that. You can put them on the back of the case. I appreciate that. And then we have some tips and stuff like that. For the fingerprint reader, I can show you mine's works pretty good. And this is with the tempered glass. I'll demo that real quick. So with the tempered glass, oh, maybe not. It's a little finicky for some reason. Well, what it is, let me try that again. Behind the screen. Okay, so it does unlock. I don't know why I couldn't do it the first time, but I haven't had any serious issues with it. Come on. Yeah, it unlocks. It's a little bit finicky. I'm behind the camera, but it's been working for me pretty good throughout the day. I don't know why it's doing. Oh, there it goes. I don't know why it's doing that now. Yeah. So yeah, it works pretty good. You also have that face unlocks. I think maybe that's what's going on. It's looking for my face or whatnot. But yeah, fingerprint works pretty good on there. And that is it. So this is everything that comes in the package as far as the LK tempered glass screen protectors for the front display and also for the lens, camera lenses on the back. So yeah, that is that. We got the stickers. I like the stickers, man. Shout out to the stickers. Shout out to LK for providing, you know, stickers for us. Put on the back of our cases if you're into that. But yeah, that is that. And let me show you what the case looks like on the phone. So go ahead and drop it on like so. That would get a nice tour of the LK case. And you can see you got some raised edges, slightly raised, not a whole bunch, but it looks like it's not a whole bunch because you have the tempered glass screen protector. But without the tempered glass screen protector, you can definitely see the raised edges more pronounced all the way around. So that is that. And then, yeah, check that out. That looks good. So you got tempered glass on the lenses, and you got the little raised edges all the way around to protect that. So that looks real good. Buttons are definitely clicky, easy to press, and a clear case showing off that green is a must. So that is that. And I got another one I want to show you guys. It is for my Galaxy watch. So I got this one also the same day I bought the LK case, but this one's from a different it's not from LK, so I want to look this up, see where I exactly got this from. Go to Amazon. So I got this one. The LK case for the S22 is $14.44 with free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. So yeah, for 15 bucks, man, you get the case, you get the screen protectors, you get the lens protectors on the back. This is well worth it. Like I said, I'll have links down in the description below. Then I'll show you what I got for my, so yeah, so this is what I got right here for my Galaxy Watch 4. So let me go ahead and check that out, show you what that looks like. So this one also provides two cases and 2 tempered glass. So it's a built-in tempered glass in the case. So you just clean the screen and you pop it on and you're protected. Your screen's protected and the frame of the watch is protected. So yeah, I'll show you what that looks like. This is a definite must. And it's pretty touch sensitive, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna impede any of the touches or nothing like that. So you can see there, everything is just easy to press and touch. So yeah, I'm using this because this watch face is really, really good for the battery. It's been really, really good. So this is what you get in this package. This is from a company called Tensi. So it's a 2-pack for the Galaxy Watch 4, 44mm matte black. I don't know if they have any other color. Oh, they do. So they have other colors. They got the matte black, the clear, and then the glossy black, and then the glossy silver, glossy gold. So they have a huge selection of colors. Check that out. All for $9.99. So yeah, $10. Nice. You can pick out what color you want, and you could just make your Galaxy Watch unique. I like that. So this is what comes in here. You get the typical wet and dry wipes. You get 2 of them. I don't even think I used one because I just peeled off the wrapper that was on there when I first got the watch, and I just immediately popped on the tempered glass. So this is what it looks like. So it's plastic, or like a rubberized plastic all the way around. You got cutouts for the buttons and everything, and you just pop it on, and it's pretty snug. I haven't had any issues with it, and like I said, it's very touch sensitive. You're not going to have any issues with touch sensitivity on there, and it just looks like it doesn't have anything on. So let me go ahead and put this back in the box and show you exactly what it looks like on the watch. So I'm gonna take the watch off so you guys can see that better. So yeah, these are accessories that you definitely want to get. They're very affordable. Links will be down in the description below, but let me take this off. Show you guys, give you a little tour of the case. So that's what the case looks like. It just snaps right on. Buttons are easy to press. Buttons are easy to press. Everything's real nice. And it has this same texture of the bands. Like the matte, it feels the same. It's like a rubberized feeling case, and it just looks great. So yeah, links will be down in the description below. Go pick these up, man. These are well worth it. You get the tempered glass screen, 2 of them for the S22 Plus, and you also get the case, and you also get the back camera lenses for the S22 Plus. So I'm not sure if they have it for the smaller version for the S22, just the original one. I'm not sure, but yeah, hit the links down below in the description, and check this out, man. This is a pretty good deal right here. I think this is the best I've seen on Amazon. If you got Amazon Prime, it's even better because you get free shipping. We out.